talk to you about using Canvas Inbox. This is a really important aspect of your learning and communication, especially in a remote online setting. You need to be able to communicate back and forth with your instructors. So I want to show you how to use this. You can use either the Canvas app or the website. Right now we're in the website, but if you go to your app, you'll be able to see down at the bottom that there is an inbox setting, so it uses the same type of thing. We're going to go ahead and back into our Chrome setting, and you're going to see that on the left side over here there's an inbox. Now I'm going to keep this on here. I've already opened it up into a new tab, but if you just actually hold down on that, it'll bring up and open a new tab, and you can open that up in a new tab, which is really helpful to be able to do certain things, especially what we're going to be doing right now. So there's an option in the Canvas inbox to create or add a plus, and this right here is the new tab right there. And so you just hit select course, and your course should be coming up fairly quickly. Now you're going to see that I've got a lot of favorite courses. That's just because I've got a lot of courses going on right now. But if you notice that I have Intro to Canvas course, if I click on that course right there and I click on this little button icon right there, it'll allow me to type in information, or you can just hit down to the thing, and there should be an option to hit the, let's see, parent or the individual message. Should be able to pull up my name right there. So you click on that and it will be able to bring that in. You can also put into individual students or whatever. Now at this point you always need to make sure that you have a subject, and one of the things that is really important here is that in the body, when teachers get this, we don't always know what you're asking, right? And so if you put in the subject line something that tells us this is a quick heads up on what you're asking about, it really does help, because we've got a lot of communication with a lot of students, and so the more that you make it easier on those teachers, the better off we can help you answer the question or resolve the issue. So on this one, you're going to just write test email in here. Again, very important, you always put a note in the subject line. And now in the body, if you just want to actually just click on this and then highlight it, and that way you can actually just take this, if it will do it, and we'll come over here and we're going to hit into there, and we're just going to hit paste. Okay, and make sure please that you always put your first and last name. Again, teachers have a lot of options, or people that are communicating with us, and so this is a great way for us to be able to communicate with you, but it really does help. There's a way to talk about it. Hey, Dr. Town, or dear so-and-so. So don't just come right out and blurt out what you want. Give a little bit of a introduction, give some information, and then obviously give a salutation. Give a hey, thank you, appreciate you, whatever you want to do, and then your first and last name so the teacher can quickly see this. Now this will be something that will go into your Google in your notifications. You should have already set up the way in which you connect your Google Drive account, so this should automatically link to your Google email, and then you just hit send. You can send any video or attachment that you need to. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and get back into this. Once you've completed this, now you just need to go to mark as done, and then you'll go on to the next option. All right, hopefully that helps you understand Canvas Inbox. It's a great tool for you to communicate with your teachers.